Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we are going to crack open the world of 2D barcodes, a technology that's revolutionizing how we store and access information, especially in the maintenance and operations sector. We'll explore what these barcodes are, their unique types, and how they're changing the game in maintenance. We'll also touch on their role in enhancing business decisions and how their high storage capacity can empower remote employees. So, join me as we delve into this fascinating topic and uncover how 2D barcodes are making a significant impact in our industry. Let's dive right in and talk about 2D barcodes. So, what exactly is a 2D barcode? It's a collection of small geometric shapes arranged within a square or rectangle that's used to store information. What makes these barcodes so special is their ability to store information in both vertical and horizontal planes. This means they can hold hundreds of times more data than a 1D barcode. In fact, a single 2D barcode can store over 7,000 characters. This could include a wealth of information such as the brand name, model number, maintenance records, and so much more. Now, there are three types of 2D barcodes that you'll commonly come across. Let's take a look at each of these. First up, we have QR codes, which you might also know as quick response codes. These are probably the most popular type of 2D barcodes. They were originally used in Japan to track automobile parts, but these days you can scan them with your smartphone to be taken directly to websites. Next, we have data matrix codes. These are a little more complex and need to be read with imagers or readers that essentially take a picture of the code to analyze it. You'll often find these being used in industry applications. The third type is PDF 417 codes. These codes are unique because they stack rows of codes within one another, allowing them to securely and affordably contain a great deal of information. You're probably most familiar with seeing QR codes in your everyday life, encouraging you to visit specific websites. But many 2D codes are used within businesses and industries to help store and track information about assets. One of the major advantages of these barcodes is their speed and accuracy. If a person has to manually enter codes, you might see an error for every 1,000 keystrokes. But with 2D barcode scanners, you might only see a mistake once every 10,000 scans. Now let's talk about how 2D barcodes are used in maintenance. Data can be easily transferred between a reader and a CMMS, or computerized maintenance management system. This provides an easy way to study specific assets, maintenance records, or repair requests. 2D barcodes can play a crucial role in helping a company make smarter business decisions. Plus, these barcodes can store enough information for a remote employee, like a maintenance technician, to access the data they need to perform a particular maintenance task or repair quickly and efficiently. So, that's a quick rundown on 2D barcodes. They're a powerful tool for storing and accessing a wealth of information, and they're particularly useful in maintenance and industry applications. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the world of 2D barcodes, their types, and their impact on maintenance and operations. Remember, these barcodes are revolutionizing how we store and access information. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.